Right, afternoon everyone. Now I've got another kit here, and it's just mainly appliques and trims, but it's packed. And if you want this one, ask for, you can say it on this video. I'll give you the price and everything at the end of the video. So I'm going to share it with you to start with. Let me just make sure you can see. Can you see the whole? If I do that, no, never mind. I'll show it in my hand first. So these are die cuts. Very delicate but beautiful, absolutely gorgeous die cuts. And you 4. And that one's gorgeous. Beautiful, look at that one. So you've 4 of those. Let me just put them together. They will be packed nice and neat. It'll come in this box. Now, like I said, they're appliques. So, can't see which way that goes. Anyway, that's one of those. Then you've got that beautiful, beautiful one. So you can cut the corners off and just use the middle, or chop it up if you want to. Then you've got one of those. That is mixed, completely mixed. One of those. That beautiful one. Again, you can chop up. Those. Yeah. Some of that triple row trim. And you've got about 20 inches, I think. Something like that. A pair of gloves, and the pearl beaded wedding gloves, satin, but you might want them for a different thing. I've given you some of the leaf trim, which is gold. Let's have a look. Some of our Nottingham lace, super soft one. We sell these trims in the shop. This one, gorgeous, with a little bit of pink. Then the lemon one to do a flower, but it goes with these colours. So this is called the vintage lace, because most of it is vintage lace. Then you've got that one. Oops, I dropped one. Sorry, I do apologise. Sorry, it was stuck to the back. So you've got 3 of those. That one, sorry, that one. Beautiful, beautiful doily. Look at that one, vintage doily. Then you've got, it's a one single bow. I make these with the trimmings that you can put somewhere. And you've got that one, like the star doily. You've 2 of those. Again, they are vintage. Some of them are very delicate. This is from a vintage, sorry, it was a vintage, it was, the middle of it was silk. Hanky, bloody hell, I couldn't think of what it was called. Vintage silk hanky from the 1850s. Like that. Absolutely beautiful. And it is just a piece of it. 2 of those. There's 3 of those, 1 of those. I've tried to put in as many different ones as possible. Again, the tatting, beautiful, beautiful doily. It's a full one. 3 of these, and the layer, they're like layers. 2 cream and a white. 2 of those. And they're like individual leaves, petals. They're gorgeous, I have to say. Unusual, you don't see them around much. This was only a piece cut from a doily, but I thought you could cut these sections out and use them somewhere in your projects. It's the last of that doily. I don't like to waste anything, as you know. So then we've got 3 of these that you can trim down. They look like grapes to me. two of those. These are like middles. They're like little rosettes in the middle. So you have two of those. Two of those. They all come from vintage doilies. That one again, the butterfly, so you can cut them out if you want. 3 of those. Yes, I put a couple of wooden pieces in because you can make these into charms. You can hang them from your if you're doing a fabric book. This is great for a fabric book. You know what I mean? A doily book or something like that. Again, another section from it because it will do like an edging of a picture. See underneath? But it's beautiful, delicate, and it is old. Then you've got a selection of these. There was one of those in the top. Very delicate. Those 2. Those 3 that can be cut individually. And I put some pearl trimming. Not much, it's just a little bit for you to play around with. Some fabric. If you're going to do a book. Or a plaque. You've enough here to do a fancy plaque. See, like that. Just to play around with. And then a large piece of this one as well. This is an embroidered cotton. And it's beautiful. Oh, wrong way around, Fee. Come on. Is it? Yeah, that's it. Beautifully embroidered, if you look. So, yeah. Right, all of that. And I'm going to put in a pack of the pearl flatback teardrops. And all of that is £15. It's a bargain. So if you're interested, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Say on this video if you're interested, and I will send you an invoice straight away. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.